Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jasmine here for today's video. I'm so excited to say I'm doing another haul and I'm doing another Fashion Nova haul. Honestly, I think Fashion Nova has been killing the game lately. I've been loving their clothing. I got so many pieces to show you guys this time and I'm really excited about it. I got a lot of really cute pieces you could wear for the holiday season and just really cute casual winter staples. I wanted to thank Fashion Nova for collaborating with me on this video. I honestly love working with them and they always send me the cutest pieces. As always, if you guys see anything you guys like in this haul, I'll link everything down below. Definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see how I style these items. Since I do have a lot of items to show you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling now and get started on this video. You guys will notice that I got a lot of sets in this haul. I feel like Fashion Nova is the place I go to whenever I want a two-piece set. They have so many nice ones and their quality is so nice. This is just a really cute faux leather skirt. It's so nice. I love this color so much. I feel like it fits so nicely as well, and it comes with this really cute crop faux leather jacket. I really like the cut of this. I feel like as a set this looks so nice and I'm in love with it. I will say if you get any leather items from Fashion Nova, I definitely suggest sizing up. I got a size small and this fits a 25-26 waist, and I feel like normally smalls fit a 27, but since it is faux leather, it doesn't really stretch that much, so I definitely suggest sizing up. It fits really nicely. I will say it's a little bit snug, but it still fits really nicely, and I'm so excited to wear this set. I feel so snatched in this, and I feel like this is gonna be such a cute winter set. Then I got another really cute set. You guys will notice I got a lot of sets in this haul. I honestly love them. They're so cute. This is just a really cute pink corset set. It looks very casual because the material is super soft, and normally I feel like corsets are a satin or a silk or leather, but this one's a cozy material, which I really like. It makes it even more comfy. The lighting on the inside is really nice as well, but it still has the piping. You guys will see it in the back over here. I feel like the ruched style is really nice, and what I like about this corset is that it has a zipper in the back. I really like corsets, but half the time I get too lazy to button up everything, so I feel like the fact that there's zippers in the back, that's really nice, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. And it also comes with this cute little purple skirt, pink. I feel like this is in between a pink and purple. It's definitely more pink to me, but I could definitely see people thinking this is purple. So yeah, this is a really cute ruched skirt. I really like it because you could ruche it up and ruche it down, so you could either have it really long or really mini. If you don't feel comfortable wearing it low rise and super mini, you could just make it longer and it could be a normal high-waisted skirt. So yeah, I think this is so cute and I love the way this looks. I'm definitely going to be getting more colors in this. I think they have 3 or 4 colors. They have a white one, they have a green one, they have this color, and I think they have one more color, so I'm definitely going to be getting it. The next item that I'm going to show you guys, I'm literally so excited about, is a pair of boots. These are so cute. I'm obsessed. You guys know I've been obsessed with Cowgirl boots. I've been getting them everywhere, and I really want to test out the one from Fashion Nova, and I'm really glad I did because I'm really surprised with the quality of these. I feel like a lot of online brands, they have Cowgirl boots, but it's kind of cheap material, but this one actually feels really nice, and I feel like it's gonna be really durable. I love the way it looks. I don't have a brown one like this. I have suede ones in a black and white color, but I don't have a brown one, so I'm literally so excited about this. Cowgirl boots were definitely really popular this past summer, and they're definitely moving on into the fall and winter, and I'm loving it. I feel like these darker colors are really popular right now, and also I feel like during the summer and spring this would be so fun to wear with a dress or something. I feel like this one looks so chic and cute. It's very expensive looking, but for an affordable price, so that's what I love about it. The next item that I'm going to show you guys is a jacket, and I feel like this is going to be a winter staple. I feel like they're kind of popular last winter. A few people had it, but it wasn't as popular as it is now. I feel like getting them are a lot more accessible, and so many brands have so many cute styles, and I definitely suggest getting this one from Fashion Nova. I love the look of this and it looks so cute. It's just this really cute black blazer. The only thing I don't like about this is that I don't like the buttons. I wish the buttons were black, but I don't mind. I feel like some people like that look. It's more of a turtle shell kind of look. It's cream and brown, very natural colors still, so that's really nice. I got this in a size small, fits really nicely. I could definitely see myself wearing this one a lot. I feel like I always find outfits for the winter. Whenever I want to wear a dress, I always throw a leather blazer over it, and it completes the look. I feel like other jackets kind of ruin the outfit, but a leather blazer makes it look even nicer, so I definitely suggest getting it. I have like a black one and a brown one, and I think I have like a blue one as well and a red one. I feel like everyone needs at least one. Start off with like a black one, so if you guys want this one, I'll link it down below. Moving on, we have another two-piece set, and this is like a really cute knit set. I honestly love the look of this. Like, this is so nice and so flattering on, and the colors are so nice and it fits perfectly. It's this really cute like checkered cream tan like knit set. I love this, but unfortunately it's itchy. Like, I cannot wear this for more than like 10 minutes. I wore it for the try on part and I had to take it off. Like, it's definitely not very comfortable. I wish they made this like set again but with a different material, because this type of knit, I just don't like it on my skin. I honestly might just be sensitive, but like for me, I'm definitely not going to be wearing this a lot. I don't think I'm going to be wearing this, period. I think this cardigan is so cute, and I wish they had it in a different material. As I said, I feel like these sets are so cute because you could wear it together or separately. They look so cute together, but if you wanted to, they could definitely add to other outfits as well. Like, I'd probably wear this with like a blazer, a leather one or something. But yeah, super cute, but unfortunately cannot wear it because it's itchy. Moving on, the next item that I'm going to show you guys is a two-piece brown set. Honestly, I don't know what this material is called. It's been so popular this past year. I feel like the first time I saw this material was with a really popular like with the jean dress during the summer, and now I see like a lot of sets made with this material, and I'm kind of into it. It's really cute. I will say it's not the warmest material, not really great for like super cold weather, but if you live like somewhere like California like me, you could probably get away with wearing this. This is a pair of really cute brown pants. It's one of those ruched pants, like the IMG pants that tie up and like tie around your waist. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like sometimes I like it and sometimes I'm not confident in it. It really depends on like the style, but surprisingly this one actually looks really nice and I like it. I got this in a size small, and I will say it's a little bit loose. I feel like I could have gone for a size extra small. It's definitely very like baggy on me, but I can still make it work. I just might tighten it around my waist. It's a pair of like wide leg pants. These are not like skinny jeans or anything. They're like wide leg. They flow out. They're so cute, very cute Y2K vibes, and the top that it comes with is so cute. I could definitely see myself wearing this separately as well. It's just this really cute brown tie-up top. Not much to say about it. I will say it's a bit thin material, but honestly I could get away with wearing it without a bra. I don't mind. I think it's really cute. I love this set, but next time I definitely will size down. Moving on, the next item that I'm going to show you guys is another two-piece set, and this is a really beautiful Houndstooth, I think, two-piece set. I really like these Houndstooth print. I think they're great for like the fall and winter. I always get sets. I always get skirts and like jackets in this print, and I think it looks so cute. This is just a really cute little skirt. Honestly, I could do without the pockets on the side. I don't really care for them. I feel like they give me very like 2016 vibes, but I feel like I could definitely make it work. It doesn't like make it bagged or anything. It's just not my favorite. But what I really like about this set is the jacket that comes with. Like, this is so cute, and I feel like sometimes I don't really love pieces individually, but when they come together, I love how it looks like in a set. I feel so bougie in this. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is another set, and this is a three-piece set. You guys have probably seen this before because I got this in 2 other colors. I honestly love it. It's so cute. It's this really cute fuzzy three-piece set. It kind of reminds me of the Skim sets. I don't know which one came out first. I feel like I've been seeing this one on Fashion Nova for a long time, so maybe Skims copied Fashion Nova. Honestly, I doubt that, but I've just been seeing this for a while, and I feel like this is a fraction of the price of the Skims one. It comes with this cute little tank top, a pair of like flare fuzzy pants, so comfy, so soft. I love this. And then it also comes with this cute little cardigan. The pants are so cute. They're wide leg. I will say they are super long. Like, if you are under like 5'7", you probably wouldn't be able to wear this with flat shoes. I am 5'5", and I have to wear this with my platform sneakers, and they're still kind of long, so definitely keep that in mind. I know other brands have like shorter versions, but I feel like the quality of this one's really nice, and also this one's really affordable. So if you guys want to test it out, I definitely suggest it, but just like keep in mind they're really long. Moving on, the next item that I'm going to show you guys is a puffer jacket. I love getting jackets from Fashion Nova. They're so cute. This is a really nice pistachio green one. This is a more muted tone, so if you're more like into neutrals, I feel like this is a good way to add color into your outfit, because honestly this is not bright at all and it's borderline gray. It's so cute though. I love it. I love the fit of this, and this is honestly a really good quality puffer jacket. I got this in a size extra small. It fits really nicely. I love it, and I definitely recommend it. it. They also have a pink one that I love as well, so I definitely recommend getting it. I'll link them both down below if you guys want. I think it's like the same link, but yeah, super cute. And also it runs a little bit large, so I suggest getting like your size or a size down. If you're in between sizes, get the smaller size. The next thing I got is a very interesting two-piece set. Honestly, I haven't got anything like this before, and I don't know, I feel like this is definitely a very statement piece. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. I'm kind of scared. I definitely won't wear it together. I really don't know if I like the look of it together. It kind of is overwhelming on me, but I might wear it separately. It's this really cute like burgundy red two-piece set. It's a pair of really fun like ruched style pants, and it flares out in the bottom. I will say this fits pretty nicely, but I feel like the top, I feel like I could have gone for a size extra small. This is what the top looks like. I feel like this would look so cute with like a black skirt or something and like some pantyhose and some boots or something, but the girl did wear it as a set in the picture. I feel like this might be for like an adult, for like a holiday outfit or something, like a Christmas outfit, because it is a red color, but it's just not my style wearing it together, so I will be wearing it separately. Then we have another pair of shoes. These are a pair of heels. I will say I honestly was not expecting for these heels to be so tall. Like these are like 7-inch heels, and I normally don't wear heels just like period, so like these are gonna be really hard to walk in. I really just wanted like a nice nude pair of heels, so I saw these and got them right away and didn't look at like the inches, and these are what they look like. These are like kind of like stripper heels. I love these though. These are so cute. I'm really excited to wear them out. I showed them to my sister and my mom, and they thought I was crazy for getting these, but honestly I'm so excited about it. I love being tall. I'm 5'5", so I'm definitely like an average height. I'm definitely not tall by any means, but yeah, these are definitely gonna make me like 6 feet, maybe like 5'10". I like these a lot. I'm gonna test them out and see how they feel like on my feet, like when I actually wear them out. And I might get another one because I know they do have this in a black color, and I kind of want to test out the black one. I feel like everyone needs like a black pair of heels and a nude pair of heels, and I don't think I have a nude pair of heels yet, so I'm really excited to add this one to my collection. Moving on, the next item that I got in this haul, I actually got this in one of my last Fashion Nova hauls, I think like 2 or 3 hauls ago, but I accidentally got it in a size extra small, and the extra small definitely didn't fit me. Like it was way too tight. I got it in a small this time, and I'm really excited I did. This is just a really cute like houndstooth kind of like tweed-ish set, really great for the holiday season. When I got this, I thought of like going to like a holiday party wearing this. I feel like it's very chic but very cute. I think a lot of people wear red and green during like holiday parties, which I definitely do as well, but if you don't want to wear red or green, I feel like neutral tones are really nice. I feel so chic in this, especially with the jacket it comes with. Kind of gives me like Chanel vibes, but obviously not Chanel price. This is so cute. Like I love the chic look of it. It's like bougie on a budget. This is like the definition of bougie on a budget. I love it. Moving on, the next thing I have to show you guys is another set, but I feel like this is also a dress. You can make it a dress, but you can also separate it if you wanted to. I was really confused when it came in because like on the picture the girl was wearing it as a set, but when it came in it was a dress. It connects with these like clasps over here. Honestly, I don't know if I like it as a set or a dress, but I think this looks really nice. I'm very confused on how to put this on though. It was a little bit confusing. I got this in a size small. I don't know if this is my favorite piece, but I will say it looks really cute, and the gold detailing is really nice. So yeah, really cute skirt, great for the holiday season as well. Great like statement outfit with a pair of boots or something. So the next thing I got in this haul, I actually got like the same thing in my last haul but a different color. I feel like when I like the fit of something, I want to get it in like every color. So this is like an example of it. I got this really cute cropped blazer. It's a set actually, and it comes with this really cute dress. I got it in an orange color in my last haul, and I love the way it fits. So yeah, I feel like black is a staple, and I feel like this is gonna be so fun to wear for like nights out. I feel like sometimes it's definitely really hard to wear jackets with your dresses, so the fact that this one's a matching set and it looks very cohesive together, I really love it. It's super nice, and I definitely can wear it separately as well. I can add this jacket onto my other dresses as well and make it look super cute. It's like a cropped moto jacket. So yeah, the quality of this one's so nice. I will say it's on the pricier side, but it was on sale when I got it. I feel like there's always like really good sales on Fashion Nova, so definitely check them out. So the next thing I got in this haul is a coat. It's actually a white coat, leather trench coat. I honestly was really excited about this, but then when I opened it, my sister said something and now I can't get it out of my head. It looks like this. It's really cute. It's like this really nice white color, and when I opened it, my sister said it looks like a lab coat, and now I can't unsee it. Like every time I wear it, I feel like I'm going into like the hospital or something. I feel like the fit of this is so nice, but I wish it was more of like a cream color instead of like a stark white color. I will say like it is a little bit cream, but it's definitely like very, very white. I can see why my sister thought of it to be like a lab coat. She does work in the hospital, so that's probably why. But yeah, this is like a really cute coat, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Honestly, if they have this in a black color, I would definitely get it. This is so cute. The quality is so nice, and I feel like this is a really nice leather coat. Okay guys, so that's everything I got in this haul. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you guys want me to film any other Fashion Nova hauls, definitely let me know. If there's any other items from Fashion Nova that you guys want me to test out, leave the link down below. I do Fashion Nova hauls pretty often. I think that I do them like once or twice a month, and I love testing out items that you guys want to like check out. I'll test them out before you guys order them to see if it's worth it or not. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and end off this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!